Hello nomads, a very good morning to all of you. Well, as you might be knowing that I'm currently in Kochi on an office tour, or more specifically because I had to be inducted into the new organization, and since the time that I've come to Kochi has granted me the gift of some very scenic landscapes, some very beautiful and scenic landscapes. And today I'm going to take you through one such road, which in the next couple of minutes is going to get so more scenic, so much scenic. You will see we are just approaching the limits of the city. So once we escape the limits, it's going to take us through some very beautiful looking landscapes where there will be quite a handful number of twists and turns, ample amount of lush greenery, some altitude changes, and overall a very beautiful ride to my office. The engine braking on this motorcycle is fabulous. Yeah, pretty similar to my Domina, but Domina has it a little stronger, but this one is, I wouldn't call it inferior. It does a great job each time that I try to engine brake the motorcycle. So today is gonna be my final day at the office, and maybe we'll remain here tomorrow to just sight-see the place. And for this time around, we shall be returning to Bangalore the day after, and then I'll be coming back to Kochi once again in about 20 days or so. So all in all, I would require to spend about 3 months here. But the thing is, it's not going to be in one go. But what makes me glad is that I have this opportunity which allows me, or which is allowing me, to explore Kerala and at the same time be a part of the organization. And it will also involve a lot of travel in the coming days. So the only question that remains is, am I up for it? And God, you know what the answer is. I am game on. So the road that I was talking about, it starts from here. We are in action. Just keep on watching this video. You will see how much more scenic the road is all set to become in the next couple of minutes. Beautiful road, beautiful road. 14 more minutes of absolute riding fun. You see, so much of greenery. All of these coconut plantations, and that's symbolic of the southern states of India. And on top of that, the overall setting, just look at this setting. The roads are neat and clean. The roads are in a very good condition as well. Just look at this, bro. Just look at this beauty. So yesterday when I had come through this road, I was not able to keep my eyes off all of this scenery that you are passing through right now. I was confused whether I should be looking at the road or all of this peripheral beauty. So twists and turns have started. So it's like a township, and by the way, in Kerala there is no blanket urbanization, or shall I say, there is no such place which is absolutely like a remote hinterland or anything like that. What's going on here? अरे यार, and Bhairava, my Interceptor, hasn't really demanded for any more maintenance than just lubing the chain, and that's obviously something that it deserves. But I was keen on getting my motorcycle inspected before we begin our return journey, but with office throughout the day, I haven't been having time. So I'm still thinking about it. But overall, the motorcycle doesn't seem to have gotten exhausted in any sense. So that's a very good sign for sure. The skies have become cloudy all of a sudden. Maybe we'll get to see some rainfall. Alright, let's pace things up a little bit. So what do you feel about the scenery? What do you feel about this road that's taking me to my office? Isn't it beautiful? If these are the kind of roads that I would require to travel on to come to my office every day, I am so up for it. Wow, just look at the volume of greenery here. And that is why Kerala touches a very deep chord within my heart. I feel so connected to Kerala. I'm not really that kind of a guy who loves those uber urban settings. No, I'm not really that sort of a guy. I'm more like somebody who loves to remain connected to the roots, to the villages and cities and urban sort of places that we stay in, to me is only about comforts and conveniences. That's about it. Just look at these roads, dude. Look at these roads. Yesterday when I was traveling through this road, my jaw literally remained dropped. I was in so much awe of this place. This place is somewhat situated in the outskirts of Kochi. People here, when I checked with them, they told me that it's not really Kochi. It's like one of those places which marks the outer limit or the periphery of the city. And that pretty much explains why this place is so beautiful, because wherever nature is left untouched, beauty is expected. Nature is beautiful. It's us that mess up with that beauty. Wow, man, just look at this road. Look at this scenery. Look at this landscape. This is so fantastic. There is a church over here. Wow, man, I wish I had owned a place here. Life would have been so peaceful, away from the urban jungle. Living in a place like this, wow. Right, so we have almost about reached my office. Okay. Oh, in India. So that was the previous company that Amphenol acquired before giving it its own name after a long time. So here we are. As you probably are seeing, we have reached okay, so that's the parking area. If I park it here, I just hope that the rain doesn't mess the motorcycle up. I think it should be good.